In this video you will learn how to create complex screens with several linked tables, parts and tabs. This is what we will have here by the end of this video. At the left we have an order list, at the right order details. Select new order in the list and the info at the right changes. On the top of the right part there is an order header. On the bottom an order items. In the middle some tabs with order details and customer details. I'm gonna create a new screen. This screen's grid layout size is 16 columns and 16 rows. Data sources, shipping order table, all its fields and all operations. Order items, shipping order product table, all fields and all operations. Operations arguments are set up automatically to work with the linked tables, as well as re-execute on change. Customer details, customer table, all fields. And I'm gonna use only select operation here, since I don't wanna edit customer details on this screen. I'm gonna renew this data source on change of the shipping order customer field. So, add this field to re-execute on change. And I need to change filter. Current data source ID have to be equal to shipping order data sources customer field. Here we have $, curly brackets, a data source code, a field code. I'm gonna change order items filter also. I don't wanna use a user filter here. The data sources are ready. Now to the View tab. The first part is the order list. It is on the left side of the screen, in columns 1 to 5 and full height. I'm gonna select fields I want, arrange fields, and sort the order list on the date on which order was placed. A small order header at the top of the right side. The part type is form, data source is shipping order. You can use data source field value in the part label. For example, I'll put here orders ID, $curly's shipping order ID. The order header will be read-only, so in the part actions I'm gonna use only select operation. The fields for the header are the order customer and the shipment date. We can use data source field value in the screen title also. Okay, now the order items. Shipping order product data source, label. Order items are at the bottom of the right screen side, in rows 10 to 15. Select and arrange fields. I don't want to permit user field in this table, so uncheck using query for all fields. Then a user filter funnel won't show. Let's see what we have so far. This empty space in the center is for the tabs with order details and customer details. We need to create a part of the tabs type, then inside of it a container per each tab, and parts with forms inside of these containers. I'm gonna create a part of the tabs type in the right side of the screen in rows 4 to 9. 3 containers inside of it in the same columns and rows. For the order summary, for the customer details, and for the rich text comment. Inside of the first container, I'm gonna create 2 forms. The first form, shipping order data source, in the left side of the tab, in columns 6 to 10, select and update operations only. One field here, customer. The second form, shipping order data source, in the right side of the tab, columns 11 to 16, select and update. This form is for dates. The second container has 2 forms also. First, customer data source, in columns 6 to 10. You can combine fields in 2 groups. I'm gonna create 2 field groups here. Name field in the first group, phone fields are in the second group. the second form of the tab. In columns 11 to 16, 3 fields in one group. The third container is for the tab with a rich text comment. Create a part of the text type. Shipping ordered data source. It takes up the entire tab. Use select and update actions. There must be only one field in the text type part. Now I'm gonna install the screen and let's see what I've done. Thank you for viewing.